So, Catherine, I wanted to ask you, how did you feel prior to your surgery?
I had debilitating pain. It was very, very difficult. It was a daily struggle with the nerve pain and the loss of strength in my arm. And it was a constant, to be quite honest, it was a constant struggle. It was day and night, afternoon. It basically ran my life. What was my pain gonna be like today?
I see. And when was your surgery, Catherine?
Tuesday, 3 days ago.
3 days ago. Okay.
And I feel new.
How do you feel after surgery?
Brand new.
You feel well?
Brand new.
How's the pain level?
I feel like I got a Louis Vuitton neck.
How's your pain level right now?
It's totally manageable. I mean, I can't even believe that I woke up this morning and I haven't even taken any pain meds. I just took a shower, I washed my hair,
Awesome.
I was able to shave, I was
Oh my
able
God,
to do my
you're
makeup.
doing so well.
And I feel fantastic.
Awesome, nice to hear that.
Absolutely.
So would you recommend Dr. Brzelanek?
Oh, 1000%. It's life-changing. It really, really is.
Where's-
I would recommend him hands down without a doubt.
Thank you, so happy to see that. Thank you.
Absolutely.